Hi, this is Tim. Right here we got a 2009 Pete 379 short hood. Got a Cat C15, 18-speed transmission, 20,000 pusher axle, 14,006 front, dual pipes, dual cleaners, 46,000 pound rears with 2-speed axles. I believe it's set up at 391 and about a 5.32 gears currently. Very nice truck overall. Great set of rubber on it. Right around 400,000 miles on it. Been used mainly over the road. Got the 550 horse. Got a hood real quick. Got C15. Unit has been dyno tested. We go through all our trucks before they come in. Very clean. No leaks at all. Take a look inside real quick. Nice wood grain dash. Real nice set of gauges. There's our 2-speed axle switch. 473,000 miles on it right now. Cabinet space, storage up top. Very nice. Let me start her up real quick. Pressure, as you can see. We do have the dyno report on it also. We also have another 250 used trucks available. So if you don't see what you're looking for here, give us a call. Call the number at the top of the screen and ask for Tim. Thank you very much and have a great day.